Top 7 moments when lions attack large animals. In the wild, big cats are often referred to for their strength and great hunting skills. Join Channel today to discover the Lion King to witness the big animals attack moments. And guess what will happen next? Let's get started together. The lion sometimes also wants to attack the wild buffalo. It is quite eager to win. A moment of dismay at the bravery and solidarity of the wild buffalo group. Wild buffalo was discovered by the lion, and it began to eat. It approached the buffalo, while the buffalo's carcass was in the process of decomposing. After observing and appraising the dish, the lion quickly pulls the prey into a safe area to avoid the eyes of other predators, especially the sniffing of hyenas or crocodiles nearby. Lions can choose to attack from the back with light steps, avoiding the rush to make the prey run away. However, in this buffalo hunting situation, all unpredictable developments. The lions can combine to hunt together. They control their prey very fiercely. The wild buffalo is large, but there is no resistance for the endurance of the lion. The lion's teeth are quite strong to be able to pull the carcass of a wildebeest, although a wildebeest is about 3 or 4 times as big as a lion's body weight. The wildebeest could not survive the overwhelming pressure of the ferocious predator. Chase, 2 lionesses jumped into the water to attack the wild buffalo. The wild buffalo was in the control of 2 lionesses. The wild buffalo is not capable of struggling in this situation. It died shortly after. In many situations without the support and help of their own kind, the lone wild buffalo can be a huge, delicious prey for adult lions. The carcass of a decomposed... In another scene, when the battle between 2 antelopes was taking place, The lion was watching and waiting for the opportunity to attack the weaker one. An opportunist, like the lion, always knows to appear at the right time to achieve its hunting goal. After fighting with its own kind, the antelope had lost a lot of strength. This situation is completely favorable for the lion to attack and quickly defeat the prey. The antelope was unable to react quickly and escape. The lion's sharp fangs bite deeply into the neck and body of the antelope. After struggling for a while with the large prey, the lion completely defeated the ill-fated antelope and began to enjoy the first pieces of meat. The fierceness of nature is the fragile struggle between life and death. Just because of carelessness, the antelope was not able to escape the sight of the notorious predator in the grasslands, the lion. The moments when lions attack large prey have confirmed their #1 position in the animal world. What do you think about the lion's dangerous blows for huge animals? Comment below to let everyone know what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel to update soon, and follow the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you.